All right, class, so the next type of problem is multiplying complex numbers. And you basically have two types. You have one with two binomials like this. So that would be FOIL, where they're multiplying into each other. It's just two binomials next to each other, no plus or minus in the middle. And that's going to be FOIL. And then you have one like this, and this is just distribute the 3i into both. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so 3i times negative 14. What is that? That is negative 42i, right? And 3i times negative 12i is minus 36i squared. And you need to remember your imaginary numbers rule that I squared is equal to negative 1. Because I is the square root of negative 1. So I squared is equal to negative 1. So anytime you get an I squared, you plug in a negative 1 for it. So this is actually negative 42i minus 36 times negative 1. So it's negative 42i plus 36. See that those two negatives will flip positive. So it'd be negative 42i plus 36 is my answer on B. All right, so my next one is a FOIL, because this is two binomials multiplying into each other, which means you got to do FOIL. And so that will be the two first terms, 15 times 2 is 30. The two outside terms, 15 times negative I is minus 15i. The two inside terms, negative 5i times 2 is minus 10i. And then the last terms will be the last two, negative 5i times negative I, that is positive 5i squared. And remember, I squared is negative 1, so this will become 5 times negative 1, and that will be 30 minus 15i minus 10i. So let's combine the like terms. 30 minus 5, that is 25. And then negative 15i and negative 10i is negative 25i. And that would be my final answer, 25 minus 25i. All right, so that is it for multiplication of complex numbers.